Hello, my name is Tim Manzke, and I'm going to show an example of graphing an equation, a linear equation y equals negative 3/7 x plus 4, and we're going to use the slope and the y-intercept. When you're graphing an equation using the slope-intercept form, you want to make sure the equation is written in slope-intercept form. Like this equation here, we're going to know what the slope is. The slope is going to equal negative 3/7. When you use the slope-intercept form, first you want to make sure that y is isolated, meaning that it's equal to some algebraic expression. We want to make sure there's no numbers in front of the y. We don't want to be adding anything there. So in this case here, it is this equation right here is in slope-intercept form. So we're okay there. Alright, so the slope is negative 3/7. The constant, the plus 4 there, that's going to be part of the y-intercept. The y-intercept in this case is 0, 4. Okay, so we got the slope, we have the y-intercept, and now we want to graph the equation. Now, using the information here, we need a grid. Now, if you're in an online math class and they're asking you to submit homework where you're graphing, and they don't provide the grid for you, you can make one on your own. I like to use is the insert button in a Microsoft Word document, and I like to go to table. I'm going to insert a table for the columns, so I'm going to choose 20. For the rows, I'll choose 20. It appears to be a pretty close grid in terms of the units are pretty evenly spaced out. So if you notice this, the units are like in terms of like they look like squares. I say it's a very good representation of the coordinate system. Now, of course, you're going to need an x-axis and a y-axis. Again, depending on your graph, but obviously you could just put a horizontal and vertical line in. The vertical line here, I just go to the shapes and I'll just select a double arrow, right click. You should be able to format the shape. I like to just make it like a thicker line, so I'll increase the width like 3 points, and then there's a line color. I like to choose black. So just a clear indication. Again, you want to try to get somewhere in the middle. Again, do the same thing for the horizontal. Kind of aim for like the center, depending on how you. And again, use your own judgment. Always consult your instructor if you have questions on graphing, especially if you're just doing it on your own and they're not providing you any grids. So again, choose a color black. Okay, so you have a grid there, and then from here we know that the y-intercept is 4, 0. So we're going to have to put a dot. I'm going to use a circle here. Again, you go to Insert Shapes. You should be able to put a circle. The circle I'm going to put is at 0, 4. The x-coordinate is 0. The y-coordinate is going up 4 units. So somewhere here and here. Again, you can color it in. That would be our y-intercept. Now, I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste it. Oops. Here, I'm going to copy. I'm going to Control C for copy. press the control button, press V to paste it. I usually like to have like 4 dots. I don't know if I'll use them all, but there you go. Alright, so let's plot the points. First, you're going to plot the y-intercept. So again, starting from the origin, the x-coordinate is 0, the y-coordinate is going to be 4, so go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. The slope is -3/7. So what that means is from our y-intercept, we would go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and then over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that would be our coordinate. From the y-intercept, if you want to go in the other direction, that's fine. Remember, the slope is -3/7, so you want to have some indication, like say if you're working backwards, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, because the slope triangle, if you were referred to it, remember you gotta go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Once you have enough points, I like to plot at least 3. Minimum is 2, but you can plot 3 points and you can get an idea of what the graph's going to look like. Again, insert. I'm going to draw another shape. I'm going to draw a line. You know, you may have to do this more than once, but you want to draw a line that goes through the points. I like to tell students to kind of go through you may have to just kind of play around with it. Don't be afraid to do it again, but indicate to the reader that the graph is going through those points. Again, you may want to right click on the line, format the shape. Again, you want to make the line a little bit more solid. Again, choose a color that's appropriate. I always like to use black, but again, show the reader that yes, the line is going through the y-intercept of 4. It has a negative slope. It's going down at the rate of down 3. So again, let's check 1, 2, 3, and then over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 1, 2, 3, over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this was an example of graphing the equation y equals -3/7 x plus 4. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please take care and have a nice day.